Hello, my name is Tom with Kizen Enterprise. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Kizen Mitre Fence Pro Plus on a Dewalt 780 sliding compound saw. This saw is a 2011 model, which is still being sold today. The plates are 6 inches tall, 1/2 inch thick, anodized 6061 aluminum. We have a left side and a right side. While it's laying down, it's easier to install it on the back side. You'll need to install the hold down clamp with the angle going toward the back. This is to mount the Armor Tool 6-inch auto clamp when needed. I'll go ahead and add the thumb screw for the back T-slot. Again, this is for a Dewalt lineup. So these holes line up the existing holes that come on this saw. Best bet on your saw is to use these same holes. Check and see where the bracing is. If it's not in the way, go ahead and use the plate, the Kizen plate, and drill through your sliding tool one. If not, then do the reverse. Drill through the plate, back through, create new holes in the plate. This is a one-time install. You won't need to take your plates off. Adjustable sliding T-slot and the pin. Now let's do the same thing to the right side. You have the hold down clamp. T-slot, thumb screw, and now we'll have to make sure that the fence doesn't hit. So if I go max over, I'm going to get the butt right here, lock in, slide it the other way. So I don't really want to modify this fence, so I'm going to slide it over. Make sure the fence is far out of the way. And then to add the Armor Tool 6-inch auto clamp. That's it. Thank you for watching.